Love to march together at the farm.
Come, let's have fun under the sun.
Here comes Ducky Duck. He says, again, take two.
Ducky duck, ducky ducky duck, ducky duck, quack 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 quack, quack quack quack.
Magano?
Here comes Doggy Dog. He says,
Doggy doggy dog, doggy doggy dog, doggy dog, one. Whoa 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 whoa.
then comes Kitty Cat.
Kitty kitty cat, kitty kitty cat, kitty cat, meow 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 meow.
Here comes Birdie Birds.
Birdie birdie bird, birdie birdie bird, birdie bird.
Here comes Billy Goat. They say,
Billy Billy goat, Billy Billy goat, Billy goat please me.
here comes Horsey Horse.
Horsey horsey horse, horsey horsey horse, horsey horse
One bright day, Ducky Duck, Doggy Dog, Kitty Cat, Birdie Bird, Billy Goat, and Horsey Horse marched together around the star fruit tree. To the river, then they go to the river. To the
to the
river
river, to the river. Let's all go.
invites Ducky Duck.
Yeah, let's go.
The others agree. So, Ducky Duck and his friends dash to the river. Ducky Duck steps on the big slippery rock and rolls down into the water.
Ouch, ouch, ouch. Quack, 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 quack. I broke my wings. I can swim. I can swim.
Who will save the Ducky Duck?
I will.
Says Doggy Dog.
I will.
Says Kitty Cat.
I will.
Says Birdie Bird.
I will.
Says Billy Goat.
I will.
Says Horsey Horse.
Come, let's use the bow tie to the tree.
The five animals run to the boat and untie it.
Who will ride the boat to save Ducky Duck? I will.
Says Horsey Horse and rush to the boat.
Oh, you're so happy. He can ride the boat. Save Ducky Duck.
Say the other animals.
Who will ride the boat and save Ducky Duck? I will.
Says Billy Goat.
But you're afraid of the water. You can ride the boat. You can save Ducky Duck.
Who will ride the boat and save her?
I will.
Doggy Dog, and stepped on the boat.
Oh, you're so fast. You can ride the boat. You can save Duck and Duck.
Who will ride the boat and save Ducky Duck?
We will.
Say Kitty and Birdie and step on the boat.
Come. Hold on, Ducky Duck.
Kitty and Birdie help Ducky Duck out of the water and ride the boat. And all the friends of Ducky Duck, Doggy Dog, Kitty Cat, Birdie Bird, Billy Goat, and Horsey Horse marched happily back to their home.